Let me suck in my gut.
Yeah, do that. Sunday night, we're burning some midnight oil. We have to have the Super Beast running in 1 week. Engine's in, transmission, drive shaft, everything else in the drivetrain. So we're in here bolting the brand new manifold in to the rebuilt 440. And this is just a warning to anybody. Doesn't matter if it's new, used, whatever. You have to check everything. See the bolts are down there. It was already bolted up, actually. There's my screwdriver. And then I looked down the manifold and saw this. Try to see that down in the second runner. There we go. Keep in mind, this is a brand new intake manifold. I'm not here to badmouth or badger anybody, but the production date is right here on the right. And it says like the year 2020. Right there. So we have to take the manifold back off and see what the hell that is. You can see the plastic is right here. Sorry, it's dark, so I'm trying to deal with this light. Just cut the plastic a half hour ago, if that. It was in the box, and just put it on the engine. So let's pull the manifold off. Pull that sucker. Engine's just rebuilt. Getting ready to put the manifold, carburetor, and everything. And this could have done some serious damage to the engine, I believe. Let's go over here in the light. Excuse me. There's the old torque ring. We had a problem with that too. It wouldn't fit. But let's see what this is. That is casting sand.
Casting sand.
Look at that shit.
Still in there. Oh shit, there's a bunch of it in there. Yep.
Sorry about the lighting situation here.
Wow. Look at that.
Hold on, let me set this light up. Brand new manifold. I did buy this manifold like 3 years old, or 3 years ago. Doesn't matter when I bought it. Point is that it's brand new. And you just can't trust anything new out of the box. Here, let me set that up right there. Okay, that's going to be on runner number 8. Damn it, the battery has to go right now, doesn't it? Starts flashing. Here, Rich, grab the screwdriver. Let me get you a hammer.
There it goes. Look at that.
You saw how hard that was to get out of there.
So that's what casting sand looks like. I'll be damned. Wow. Cool.
Watch this shit.
I wouldn't want to have that in there when the car started. No. The gas would have.
What else we got?
Gas would have deteriorated right down your engine.
Look at that.
And you're wondering why you have blow-by in your number 8.
Number 8 cylinders toast. After that thing heats up, cools down, expands, contracts. There goes the light again. Anyway, this is what's going on. Super B is coming together. Yeah. Burning some midnight oil with some of this stuff. Rich, can I see that light?
Yeah.
I just want to show the undercarriage. Okay, look, Dana 60's done. Tranny's in. All that. So anyway, if we would have put that manifold on just the way it was out of the box.
Yeah, I would have ate that number.
I guess the engine would have been coming right back out again, wouldn't it? Unless you got lucky and it didn't break loose in the manifold. But how long would it be before it did break loose?
Oh, it would have.
Anyway, thanks for watching.